Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. I'm Corban, this is Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing the balloon boat.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, the balloon boat.
All right, so Corban, what do we need?
You need a purple marker.
Well, any color marker will do.
Any color marker will do. Scissors.
Scissors.
A soft sponge on both sides.
Yep, soft sponge on both sides.
Then a balloon. Any balloon.
Yep, a balloon.
Oh, we're using orange today.
Yes. And also, you need a plastic tube. So this is my Brita water bottle. So I just took the bottom off here. And this is what we're going to use for our plastic tube. In the description box, if you want to buy one online, I'll put that below in the description box. Or if you have a water bottle like I do and you have a plastic tube that goes to it, you can also use that. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw like a triangle here. And this is going to give us a guide to where we need to cut. So it's approximately maybe 45 degrees, but I don't know, it's not that straight, but it'll be okay. So you see here, I kind of drew that, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so now we're gonna cut along the line. So Corban, cut along here, and I'm gonna use the scissors to cut there. And so we have our, I guess it's called a pentagon here, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so the next step is you could take a knife and do this. I'm just gonna use these scissors here, and I'm gonna poke a vertical slit right here in the middle here. And this is where our balloon's gonna go. And there's our little slit there. Okay, Corban, so what do we do here?
We put the balloon through the hole.
Yes, yep, so we put the balloon here through the little slit there.
And now
what do we do?
we put the balloon over here.
Yeah, so we're gonna fit the mouth of the balloon over that tube there.
Now,
And then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so once you have your balloon and your tube attached to the sponge, you should be able to do this. Yes, blow up the balloon. All right, so the next step is for us to go to the bathtub and test it out. All right, so when you put it in, you want to make sure that the tube is at the rear. See, this is the front here. This is where the point is. So you want to make sure that the tube here is at the back or the rear of your boat, okay? All right, so Corban is going to test it out. All right, he's blowing up the balloon. Keep blowing. All right, so as soon as Corban finishes blowing, he's going to put his finger at the end of the tube there, and he's going to put it in the tub. Whoa, stop.
another pointy part turning around. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And remember to subscribe.
Hit the like bell.
Yeah.
See you in the next video. Bye.